Hiligaynon sentence structure. Hiligaynon has a sentence structure similar to the other Philippine languages, primarily following a verb-subject-object VSO structure or verb-object-subject VOS order or structure. So here's a basic guide to help beginner learners understand this sentence structure. So the first one is the verb-subject-object or VSO structure. So the verb comes first, followed by the subject, and then the object. For the second structure or order, we have the verb-object-subject or VOS structure. The verb comes first, then followed by the object, and then the subject. So this structure is also commonly used in Hiligaynon. Let us have the following example sentences for the verb-subject order. Nagkaon si Maria sang prutas. Maria ate fruit. Nagkaon is like ate. Kaon is the root word. And then a prutas is a fruit. So nagkaon si Maria sang prutas. Nagtanom si Juan sang mga bulak. Juan planted flowers. So nagtanom, that's planted. That's the past tense. Tanom is like the root word to plant. And then a bulak is a flower, so mga is added, so mga makes the noun plural. So mga bulak, it means flowers. Nagtanom si Juan sang mga bulak. Nagbasa si Pedro sang libro. So Pedro read a book, so nagbasa, that's read past tense. Basa is the root word and then a libro is a book. So nagbasa si Pedro sang libro. Nagpaligo ang bata sang ido, so the child bathed the dog. So nagpaligo is like bathe. Ligo is to take a bath in a way, to bathe. And then an ido is a dog. So nagpaligo ang bata sang ido. Nagsulat si Ana sang sulat. Ana wrote a letter, so nagsulat is wrote. Sulat is the root word, means to write. And then a sulat is a letter, so nagsulat si Ana sang sulat. Example sentences for the verb-object-subject structure. Nagkaon sang prutas si Maria, ate fruit, Maria did. So that's like the literal translation. So nagkaon is like ate, and then prutas is fruit, and then Maria is the name. So nagkaon sang prutas si Maria. Nagtanom sa mga bulak si Juan. Nagtanom is like planted, and then a bulak is a flower. So nagtanom sa mga bulak si Juan. Nagbasa sang libro si Pedro. Pedro read a book. Nagbasa sang libro si Pedro. So a libro is a book, nagbasa is like read. And then nagpaligo sang ido ang bata. Bathe the dog. Nagpaligo sang ido, and then ang bata is the child. So nagpaligo is like bathe, and then ang ido is a dog. So nagpaligo sang ido ang bata. And then nagsulat sang sulat si Maria or si Ana. Nagsulat sang sulat si Ana. Wrote a letter, nagsulat sang sulat si Ana, and then Ana is like the name. So nagsulat is like wrote, sulat is the root word, and then a sulat also is a letter. So nagsulat sang sulat si Ana. Here are the key points that we have to remember. So the verb is the action word, the subject is the doer of the action, and the object is the receiver of the action. And the word sang is used to mark the object of the sentence. So Hiligaynon is flexible in terms of word order, but the VSO and VOS structures are the most common. So learners are encouraged to practice by creating their sentences using these patterns. You can write your sentences on the comment below, and I will try to help you out or help you check, maybe correct if there's a need to. Maraming salamat for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye!